In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the default zoom in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open your Adobe Acrobat, you want to go to the top left and click on Edit, and then here at the bottom, you want to click on Preferences. Now, whenever you do this, you want to go to Page Display over here, which is the fifth option, and in here, top right, it says Zoom. So by default, it's going to be on automatic, which means it's kind of going to like change however you change it, but if you want to set the default zoom for every single document you open, you want to click this arrow over here, and then you want to change it. So go from automatic to whatever you want. You can do fit page, fit width, fit visible, etc. And you have all these zoom options over here. So if I set, for example, 50% to default, I can click on OK, and then whichever document I open and I basically like click on it twice, it's going to open it by default in 50%, just like this, as you can see. So I can open whichever one and it's going to do exactly that. So that's how to set default zoom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.